Hi guys, it's a Yemia the lover host, friend and life coach. My today's daily bread on life and spirituality. It's about mathematics. Mathematics includes the study of such a topics as quantity, which is number theory, structure, which is algebra, space, which is geometry, and change, which is mathematical analysis. It has no generally accepted definition. Mathematicians seek and use patterns to formulate new conjectures. They resolve the truth or falsity of such by mathematical proof. When mathematical structures are good models of real phenomena, mathematical reasoning can be used to provide insight or predictions about nature. Through the use of abstraction and logic, mathematics developed from counting, calculation, measurement, and the systematic study of the shapes and motions of physical objects. Practical mathematics has been a human activity from as far back as written records exist. The research required to solve mathematical problems can take years or even centuries to sustained inquiry. Rigorous arguments first appeared in Greek mathematics, most notably in Euclid's Elements, since the pioneering work of Giuseppe Piano 1858 to 1932, David Hilbert 1862 to 1943, and others on axiomatic systems in the late 19th century. It has become customary to view mathematical research as establishing truth by rigorous deduction from appropriately chosen axioms and definitions. Mathematics developed at a relatively slow pace until the Renaissance, when mathematical innovations interacting with new scientific discoveries lead to a rapid increase in the rate of mathematical discovery that has continued to the present day. Mathematics is essential in many fields, including natural science, engineering, medicine, finance, and the social sciences. Applied mathematics has led to entirely new mathematical disciplines such as statistics and game theory. Mathematicians engage in pure mathematics for its own sake, without having any application in mind. But practical applications for what began as pure mathematics are often discovered later. The history of mathematics can be seen as an ever increasing series of abstractions. The first abstraction, which is shared by many animals, was probably that of numbers. The realization that a collection of two apples and a collection of two oranges, for example, have something in common, namely the quantity of their numbers, namely the quantity of their members, as evidenced by tallies found on bone. In addition to recognizing how to count physical objects, prehistoric peoples may have also recognized how to count abstract quantities like time, days, seasons, or years. Evidence for more complex mathematics does not appear until around 3000 BC, when the Babylonians and Egyptians began using arithmetic algebra and geometry for taxation and other financial calculations, for building and construction, and for astronomy. The oldest mathematical texts from Mesopotamia and Egypt from 2000 to 1800 BC. Many early texts mention Pythagorean triples, and so by interference and Pythagorean theorem seems to be the most ancient and widespread mathematical development after basic arithmetic and geometry.
એમને લખી લીધું હતું કાગળમાં.
It is in Babylonian mathematics that elementary arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division first appear in the archaeological record. The Babylonians also possessed a place value system and used the sexagesimal numeral system, which is still in use today for measuring angles and time. Beginning in the 6th century BC with the Pythagoreans, with Greek mathematics, the ancient Greeks began systematic study of mathematics as a subject in its own right. Amen.